Hi there, so today we're going to be decorating a bag, and what you're going to get is you're going to get one of these cloth bags. Now I got these from the pharmacy in CMC, they're less than 15 rupees, but you can use any bag. This is a cotton bag. You also might have some of these what we call non-woven, because it's not woven with cotton or nylon weaving in and out like normal, but it's kind of just a press cloth. These will work, but you must make sure that you put something inside to stop them. And as I mentioned on the other video, the most important first step is to put a bit of cardboard or a plastic bag inside, so that basically your paint or your glue or your permanent markers won't go through. They will just stay on one side and they won't damage both sides. You will also be given, if you're in the CMC craft group, you'll be given some shapes. I'm just going to... Okay, so the girls are going to get some hearts, the boys are going to get a car and an owl. You will get some fabric glue. This is quite handy because this one's got a spreader on the end, and you'll get some scraps. Now the scraps are really useful for creating your own decorations around the page, or cutting out squares or triangles or whatever, so we'll give you some ideas. And you'll get some sequins, and I'll show you that there are actually some Google eyes in there, so you might want to use eyes on the birds, the elephant and the owl. So there are two different sizes. Hopefully you'll get some small eyes and some big eyes. A bag. So your bag's going to look like this. It looks like this because inside the corners have been sewn, and as you can see we're going to have to compete with Cumbly for this. The corners have been sewn across so that when it stands up it's got a what we call a gusset in the bag, like that. Okay, so that just makes it a little bit more awkward to decorate. Yeah, we're not going to get far doing this, are we? So when you've got your bag like this, you're going to take your cardboard and you're going to put your cardboard in like this. Okay, now the other thing you can do if you've got, like this, so that we've got it, it's now firm. It will also make it a bit easier to handle. The other thing you can do if you have, and I don't have enough plastic bags to do this, but you can take a plastic bag, any old plastic bag, and you can put your bit of cardboard into the plastic bag, and this will give you an extra bit of protection. So this bag's too big, but it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to fold all the extra to the side, and I'm going to slide it in with the plastic bag and the rough bits to the bag. So, and if you lose the bit of cardboard, you can either cut yourself a new bit of cardboard, or you can just put a plastic bag inside. But it is really important, because otherwise anything you do on one side is just going to go through to the other side. And when you're decorating, don't forget that you want to have it so that the handle side, you want it so that your decorations have the handle upwards. You might be able to see on this that I have taped, I've just put some tape down so that the bag doesn't flop around a bit, because the bag was much bigger than my other bag. So now I'm going to put this bag inside here. And hopefully it'll fit just nicely. So that, there we go. So that now what I do won't go through to the other side. It doesn't go right the way down, but that's fine, because actually this bit is the base of the bag. So you actually want your decorations to be from where the cardboard starts anyway.